In today's video, I'm going to be building a brand new computer because the old one behind me is about 4 years old now. Don't get me wrong, it works great, but I think it's time to upgrade. So I'm going to be switching from Intel over to AMD. I was hoping that the Intel Ultra launch was going to be pretty good, but it was actually kind of disappointing. So I guess we're going with AMD. So just to quickly go over the parts, I'm going to be using this Asus ROG Strix X870A gaming Wi-Fi motherboard. I got the Corsair RM1200X shift power supply. And I have 3 sets of these Corsair QX120 RGB fans. Now for the storage, I'm going to be using the Samsung 990 Pro 2TB. And for the RAM, I went for the Corsair Dominator Titanium 64GB. And right here, I have the Kraken Elite 360 RGB AIO. I think this is the 2.0 version or the V2 version. But this is the one that has the bigger LED screen. And it also has that light up ring. Now as for the CPU, I went with the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X. Now, as for the case that I'm going to be using, it's the Corsair 5000D. It's not big enough to fit on the desk, but you guys will see it at the end. Now, you're probably wondering what graphics card am I going to use. I'm going to be using the same graphics cards that I currently have in my old PC. And that one is a 3080 MSI Supreme version. So it's not the latest and greatest when it comes to graphics cards, but I'm waiting until January until they announce the new 5000 series GPUs. But anyways, let me just get to building.